Hello, it's Beanie here. Today again on Tesla. Earlier video I highlighted that Tesla is showing a cup and handle, and this is the weekly chart. This would be your cup and this is your handle. And yesterday Tesla went up higher. Why was that so? Because Elon Musk bought in more shares. Again, where did he buy the shares? He bought it somewhere around here when price broke out of a resistance, which I also highlighted, and that was this resistance here. And we reached the TP as predicted by the tech system. So that's the TP that was predicted at 426. The highest reach was about 425.7. So that is a good enough reach already. Now, I just wanted to share a little bit more on how next time you could get your own Tesla trade. So there was a wash and rinse in the weekly chart. So why was there a wash and rinse? Take a look at this cross candle here. So it means that there was a bearish movement and price basically stayed here for a couple of weeks. Most important, we draw in a wash line. So this is a wash line here. Why is this a wash line? Well, basically a wash line is drawn whenever price had a close below the previous low. It's as easy as that. You draw a wash line. For example, if you have a bar here and there is a close that's below this previous low, you draw this wash line, and this is a wash line. So price stayed below this wash line at 345 for so many weeks, or in fact that from June until early September, and that's about 3 months. And we saw that last week we finally had a bullish wash and rinse. So this is a confirmation that those people who sold here were all wrong about Tesla when price flew higher and even to close above 360, hence completing this cup and handle pattern. And short term wise, it reached our profit target, which is at 426. Now the question would be, then if you are looking at Tesla for re-entry, then what would be some possible levels and how to determine these levels? Alright, so from our first entry, which is this optimal buy into Tesla. So this optimal buy will tell us that the downtrend had already ended. So ended up with an optimal buy, and we have no longer sell signal in Tesla. And price broken out of this handle here. Well, most important is that if it does retrace, then the initial support would be at this handle here, right? So that's about 367. So this would be what a lot of people would think as the first retracement level. But for me, in terms of my system, if I flip that into the 4 hour, we're going to get a lot more levels here, right? Meaning that a lot more levels, and the first level would be the support level in the H4, and that's about 403, which was the low last night. Okay, and if price can stay above this 403, it means that the momentum is going to be much higher, and it's going to keep to this uptrend here. If not, it's probably going to go to a much lower level, and that's really into this zone here, which is about 356 to 367, and that would be before the handle breakout. So this would be the zone probably that my system is predicting right now for Tesla to get supported if it doesn't get supported at the first zone here. Alright, so this is a brief update into Tesla, which I've used a combination of TOR, which is the alien wash, plus the levels in tech, which is to tell us whether mathematically a trade is still feasible, and also to identify, support resistance level which are not detected via your traditional means, and these are support resistance levels that are done using extensive algo programming, and these are levels which has been proven to be used by a lot of algos in my trading experience. All right, so we're gonna watch and see whether 403, this level, is gonna stay supported. and let me know what you think. These are trades which are done by myself or my students using the Alien War strategy. Join our community and take advantage of our 6 times a week training lessons, automated trade signals, and live trading sessions with our experienced alien traders. And for a limited time, we are offering a 100% full cashback offer on our course fee. That's right, you can learn our strategy risk-free. Over 1,000 students have already taken advantage of this offer and seen success. Visit this website now to learn more and join our community.